Hello guys, welcome on another know-how session. Today we will be talking about how to install a password manager. For the sake of demonstration, we are going to look at KeePass XC. Meet Robert. He is a business analyst. As part of his job, he has access to many accounts which have different login credentials which Robert has to remember. Robert makes use of one of the most common best practices, which is the use of a password manager. Robert shows us how to install password managers. Go to Google and search for download KeePass XC. Click on the first link, which is KeePass XC official website. Then select the type of operating system you're using to get the executable file. Click on MSI Installer under Official Packages and the download process shall begin. Once the download process is complete, click the executable and start the installation process. There is also another method to download KeePass XC. You can open the Microsoft Store and search for KeePass XC on the search bar. Once you select it on your left-hand side, click on Install and KeePass XC will be installed on your computer. Next, when KeePass XC is launched, you will select Create New Database. You will create a database name and give it a description if you want to. Enter a master key password which will be used to unlock the application. Once that's complete, then click on Done. Once you're done, you will be logged into your database, which you will use it to store all your passwords. That's all for today, guys. See you in our next know-how session.